A Quiet Place 3 news has been slow, but there is still a lot of hope for more from the acclaimed horror franchise. Paramount found a surprise franchise starter in 2018 when John Krasinski A Quiet Place was praised by critics and became a box office hit. After several delays caused by COVID-19 shutting down theater, A Quiet Place 2 moved from early 2020 to the summer of 2021. The sequel was once again directed by Reshanki and stars Emily Blunt as Evenly Abbott, who continues to guide her children through an alien plug extents where any sound can them killed. It has been announced the Mud director Jeff Nichols is writing and directing a Quiet Place spin-off in 2024. Known as A Quiet Place Day 1, this A Quiet Place prequel will detail the internal invasion of the terrifying sound-sensitive aliens, and it will be third A Quiet Place. The movie isn't A Quiet Place 3. The story of A Quiet Place Part 2 set up how is this franchise can continue to form a proper trilogy, and what's been teased of A Quiet Place 3 so far, so that all do care is being taken to only move forward with a worthy next chapter. The most recent A Quiet Place 3 news offers an update from one of the franchise stars. Emily Blunt addressed A Quiet Place 3 possibilities are confirmed that it has been discussed with her husband and director John Krasinski, as well as Blunt Oppenheimer and A Quiet Place 2 co-star Cillian Murphy. Blunt revealed that Cillian Murphy and I were having a chat with John Krasinski about its last night. We were sitting on a rooftop together drinking wine, and what would be great is if we keep this going. The news isn't a confirmation of any concrete plans for A Quiet Place 3, but it's still positive to see that the key creative minds behind A Quiet Place are exploring how to continue the story. However, Blunt also revealed that there is a stipulation for her returning for the sequel, as he suggested that it would have to be that we would all do it together. I don't want to it be with a different director if we did it again. It isn't clear of if Resenki will return as director for the third movie.